What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be packing and loading for Hogrocktober, which is down here in Cave in Rock, Southern Illinois. This video will be up just a few days before I head down. Hold on one second. Alright, so I've got the door closed, so hopefully y'all can hear me a little bit better now. Don't have the sound of traffic driving by as often. Still gonna hear something though, because highway living. Yeah. So we're gonna pack and load for that. This is not, they don't bill it as a motorcycle rally, it's billed as a river rally or a party. And there's a few rides you can do. You can go down to Garden of the Gods. You can go to cross the ferry into Kentucky, back up and around through Sturgis, Kentucky, and nice little winding road all the way till you get back into Illinois, and it straightens right back out when you come across and go through Shawneetown. So let's get going. All right, so this is sleeping gear and bedding, basically. I have my tent. I just got that in the mail a week ago. It's an instant pop-up tent from Extreme, I believe. It's only 90 bucks on Amazon. Sleeping bag that I've had for a while. Tarp that I've actually had for a while. It's just been hidden from me and I couldn't find it. A air mattress and a hammock. All that will go on the tour pack of the bike. Yes, I said tour pack. Y'all haven't seen the video yet. It will be up after I'm already down there. So yeah, it's not the best thing I've ever bought for the bike. We'll just go ahead and say that. You'll see why in the video coming up. I don't plan on using the hammock since I do have an air mattress now, but I'm gonna take it. Be a nice place to take a nap in the middle of the day or something, especially if it's a little bit warm. The sleeping bag in October is a must. The tarp, I haven't decided if I'm going to take it yet or not. It was to put over the hammock so I could sleep in it, rain or shine. But we'll see what happens. So let's get the stuff loaded on the bike. All right, I've got a chair that's going to go as well. Yeah. First off, put a few small things inside the tour pack. Go ahead and put the air mattress and tarp, or hammock. We'll leave it in there. We'll go ahead and plan on packing the helmet for rain. The chair and tent will go up on top. And I think we can put the sleeping bag up there too. Actually, let's put the sleeping bag right there. We'll grab a short ratchet strap. Straps will be tied up before we leave. So that's the basic gear minus you guys and my little cooler I got. This will fit in the saddlebag, so that's probably where it's going to go. That one's got shit in it. Now, I'll have other stuff in this little cooler until I get down there. And honestly, I got a friend following me in a truck, so anything I can't fit on the bike is gonna go in his truck. I've got rain gear, left-hand saddlebag, just like about always. Clear glasses, my fake Yeti, the rain sock for the intake. That's an important one since I don't have a high dollar K&N air filter on this thing yet, or Air-Aid, or whichever brand you prefer. And that's pretty well it. A few bandanas, stuff like that. Now my clothes, please tell me you've been recording. Good. Now my clothes are going to be 2 extra pairs of jeans, 4 or 5 pairs of socks, 4 or 5 t-shirts, and an extra pair of boots. They're actually in the bag over here. And the couple of flannels that are sitting on the seat of the bike right now. The wife doesn't know about that green one. I don't plan on bringing much on the line of tools this time around. Now the tent and the chair is going to come back off there, and I'll probably just end up putting my clothes in the tour pack, lining the helmet. Once I get down there, I plan on taking the tour pack off. I might take a few tools with me just in case. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video, I think. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell note for notifications so you know when I upload. Y'all take care. Be good to each other. Bye.